Video 15. How to scale it and make tons of money from the comfort of your home. Sell the t-shirts yourself. There are various ways to sell the t-shirts on your own. It could be as simple as getting one of your t-shirts, wearing it, and going out into the public to display them. While out, you could get photos taken while in your t-shirts and upload them to your product page. This way, your audience will be able to connect with your products and increase their desire to make an order. Avoid trying to sell your shirts by using mock-ups erected on torsos consisting of unidentified stock models. You can't expect other people to order and wear your t-shirts if you aren't willing to do the same. Hire a professional photographer and get real photos taken. Selling t-shirts on your own may involve many other activities that prove your support for the product you are selling. You need to prove to your customers that you love what you do, and they will be glad to support you. Invite others to sell t-shirts. Apart from selling the t-shirts on your own, you can also invite other people to join Teespring and start selling t-shirts. Of course, you will be doing this for a fee. Teespring allows you to make money as an affiliate. You are allowed to invite as many people as possible. Teespring pays you for every new sign-up that creates a campaign and makes sales. You can earn up to $2,500 with every friend you invite. It is simple. Just share your affiliate link, and when a new customer starts a new campaign, you stand a chance to earn 50 cents, up to $2,500, for each shirt sold. Teespring loves watching you grow in your campaigns, but appreciates it more when they see you help newbies do the same. This is precisely why they allow you to introduce your colleagues and friends to enjoy the power of Teespring campaigns. Share that unique link today, and you and your referral will get an extra $1 for each shirt they sell. You can earn a decent amount of money from this campaign and scale up your campaigns. Promoting other Teespring successful products. It is possible to promote other successful Teespring campaigns for a fee. Even though there are other methods you could use to promote such campaigns, the most popular is through the use of Facebook ads. However, you do not have to run expensive ad campaigns on Facebook to earn some commission. All you have to do is work smart and hard and never give up. Using ads for the purpose of promoting successful Teespring products is the best way to go, unless you can command a huge social media following. If you have a large number of followers, you can consider promoting the products directly to them. If you have an active website, you can also consider promoting the offers directly from there. Promoting other Teespring products is a hard nut to crack for free. Some people create products on certain niches, run a single ad campaign for a few days, and make tons of sales. Running ads to promote other already established products can bring you an encouraging return on investment, especially if you handle every process correctly. One way is to advertise popular Teespring training or software. You can find Teespring-related products at Amazon, JVZoo, and ClickBank, among other platforms. Consider advertising those products to get commissions from them and make money by taking advantage of this hot topic. Launching your own Teespring training. You can create and launch your own Teespring training guide to help other users master the essentials. The training guides could be in the form of downloadable ebooks and videos that can be leveraged to other users at a small fee. You could also sell the same ebooks during your Teespring launch to make a large amount of money. During the launch, you could highlight the basic strategies of working online with a t-shirt design platform such as Teespring. You can then encourage your audience to acquire your training guide for more elaborate information on the startup tips and any information they need to be aware of before starting the campaign. You will be earning a little extra money by helping other people learn what they must do right to enjoy the best results from Teespring. Giving Teespring coaching. Individual coaching provides a wonderful opportunity for you to provide advice, tips, and guidance to a new fan who would like to have a successful Teespring campaign. You could always provide a regular opportunity for a few fans to join you and listen to your expertise for a fee. There is a lot of bad advice out there. Thus, most newbies are interested in finding mentors they can trust to offer such guidance. You could also create video guidelines, such as those on tshirtcoach.com, and share the link with your fans. Some programs, such as the tshirtcoach.com program, have been a success in helping previous Teespring failures change their outcome. You could create such a program and allow your fans to join at an affordable membership fee that could still generate enough revenue for your campaign. There is no limit on how to scale your Teespring campaigns.